All right, we're so happy about this. Channel 3 is proud to team up with Mission of Mercy for their free annual dental clinic. The two-day event provides free dental care to people across Connecticut, and it's coming up next weekend.
Yeah, we are so excited to have Dr. Kevin Norige, co-chair of the Connecticut Mission of Mercy Free Dental Clinic, and Dr. Laurence Levy, the co-chair of the board of directors for the Connecticut Foundation for Dental Outreach. Thank you so much. This is so wonderful. It's the first time it's going to be back to this level since the pandemic, where you're going to see, maybe 1,400 to 2,000 people.
That's exactly what we're going to do. And we're really excited that we can do it again this year. We've been working very hard. The city of New Haven has been amazing. We've been fundraising. We've been trying to put everything together. And thank you for having us and spreading the word. Because
it's our pleasure.
We don't get patients.
Yeah. What are the type of services that you're going to be able to perform for these people?
Well, the examinations start with. We always get.
Okay.
They got to be examined first to see what they need. But they can request a particular service. They can have a cleaning if that's the appropriate thing.
All right. Simple as a cleaning.
As simple as a cleaning. They can have an extraction if that's the most appropriate thing that person needs. We will do some root canal therapy if that's appropriate. We will also do regular fillings and that. So we've got a broad range of services.
And you can get a root canal done in that period
Yes,
of
sir.
time?
Yes, sir.
Only on front teeth.
Only on front
teeth. Well, we have limited resources.
That's it.
Okay.
So this is really helping folks, and there are so many of them. I mean, people line up, hours before. Some drive from other states because we really have a problem with giving access to dental care in this country.
Well, it's not really an access issue. There's plenty of providers. It's more of a cost
issue.
problem.
I guess that's what I mean by access.
Right,
a lot of people can't afford it.
Right. So this clinic is really put together for the uninsured and the underinsured. Anybody that really needs care. We don't turn anybody away.
Yeah.
Just come down. All age groups too.
Yep.
All age groups.
Yep. Just come down and
no questions asked. You just wait. Yeah, go in.
And no payments required.
Right.
No
First come, first serve.
And when do people start lining up?
Sometimes in the middle of the night, sometimes the night before. It depends.
Yeah, I've seen the lines.
Yep.
Yeah, we try to discourage that because we don't want people sitting out all night.
Okay.
But, we will let people in the building at some point and, open up and get going.
Now, there have been as much as 2,000, you've serviced as much as 2,000 people.
Yeah, I think the largest clinic we've ever had was about 2,000 patients.
That is remarkable.
Wow.
But your goal this year is 1,400, which is a pretty remarkable goal.
Correct.
And we can't thank you enough for doing this.
Thank you for having us.
This is a site we've been at. This will be our third time in New Haven. The last time was 7 years ago. So it's kind of like a reunion for a lot of folks, which is great.
This is the Floyd Little Athletic Center. Is it big? You can hold a lot of people?
It's huge. It's huge. We're expecting 70 or 80 seats. I forgot exactly.
Yeah, the facility is 75,000 square feet. It's the gymnasium, and we're going to put together an 80-chair dental clinic to provide the treatment to everybody.
And look, this is what you do. You bring like portable dental chairs like this, and it's sometimes people are a little nervous to go. This is as comforting as it can be. You really give people dignity, respect, even the privacy that you can, and you're all just wonderful dentists donating your time.
Well, it's fortunate that we have good teams around us. The dentists can only provide so much care, and we have great teams. Assistants, hygienists. We have all kinds of community people that come in as interpreters. Like we have multiple different languages of folks that come in. Spanish is probably the biggest of the majors, but we have had Russian, Polish, Farsi. So we have to have people that can do that, because we certainly can't do it all.
Exactly.
We can say open your mouth and get going, but we can't do the other stuff. So.
And about 250 dentists are going to be. When do people sign up for this?
We've had the sign up open for about 2 months. We closed it a few weeks ago because we need to, get in touch with all of our volunteers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which is good.
Yeah, but for a patient who, they don't have any place else to turn, they're missing a front tooth. We're trying to provide limited front teeth. You don't realize you don't realize how much front teeth are important. To smile,
100%.
appearance. You're working at your job. Just being out in public, self-esteem. This is one of these things that's just so rewarding for us as volunteers, and the volunteers that we have are just so incredibly giving. We call it CT Mom because it is a big family for us as volunteers.
Terrific. Not only that, but we see many of these folks year after year. So this becomes their happy dental home, and we become friends with them. We've seen them, we know them, and they will participate as community volunteers.
Let's take a look at the information once again. The Connecticut Mom Free Dental Clinic is Friday, October 27th and Saturday, October 28th at the Floyd Little Athletic Center at 480 Sherman Parkway in New Haven. For more information, visit cfdo.org. Have you ever seen a patient with a tooth this big?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, just want to make sure, because this is one of the biggest brushes I've ever seen.
But you'll see lots of happy campers like this. this guy if you go. So thanks so much for all you guys do.
Thanks for providing this opportunity so we can speak.
Oh, it's our pleasure. You're going to be busy. We know that.